Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have a Dollar Tree haul. And I have lots of amazing items. Let's start with these. Oh my gosh. They are giant sunflowers. They're the wall stickers. And I was able to get 5 of them. I think they're really cool. Oh, I guess I got 6. I do have I think I have a couple of home decor things I want to do with them. I got this funky bugs for William because he likes bugs. And then I had never seen the cowboy one. The guitar and the wagon wheel and the boots. So I picked that one up also. I'm pretty excited about that one. Okay, let me put these here so they don't get folded or spindled or mutilated. Got a new hummingbird feeder. These are the best ones because they actually come apart and you can clean them. I have a couple of way more expensive ones, and the hummingbirds like those. So there you go. Okay, so I have a whole bag here. Let's go ahead and start stacking. I have this one called, oh, we don't want to ruin William's. William wants to be an entomologist. So I just thought that was perfect for him. Okay, bedtime prayers that end with a hug. And so we have great images here. And look at these. So, and I'm in the process of getting my inspirational and Bible quotes verses ready for the shop. And so I thought that might be kind of a fun way to get to use those along with that. So we will see. They had a bunch of these books. So they had Nosy Posy. I think she's adorable. I just think she's adorable. Even if she is a possum. There we go. So there we go. I got 2 of them. Oh my gosh, I love this. I may make myself a journal out of this. I love it so much. Amazing Grace. And then you know how these work. They'll have all the different quotes that and verses that have to do with grace. So I thought that was really cool. Now, time for bed, little chick. And I don't know if you remember, but I got some little chicken stickers last time, and I thought it might be fun to do a journal that has the chickens and that chicken. So here we've got a grumpy cat. It's not the grumpy cat, but it's a grumpy cat, and it's spreading Christmas joy. And so for Christmas in July, I went ahead and picked this up. I thought I might be able to use these in there. I haven't taken my Christmas lights down. They look so nice on the pumpkin. Nothing says holidays like a cheese log. So my husband's idea of getting the Christmas spirit is to become Scrooge. So anyway, there's some Christmas joy, and then, I mean, heck, you can go ahead and turn this book into a journal as well. And then we have a couple of the they're Benton books written by Mother Goose. This one is Pat a Cake, and so it has a variety of little poems and great images. like really, really great images. So, vintage art from 1916. So, illustrated by Frederick Richardson. And then we have a Hey Diddle Diddle. Now, Hey Diddle Diddle, is it the same? I wonder if they're the same. Okay, if we can find the opening page. The inside page is the same. Pat a Cake, Mother Goose for Wee Ones. Mother Goose of Nonsense, this one is. So they're probably different. Yeah. Okay, but then again, we have these great images. Okay. So that might be fun to do something with. Then, you know me and the Notepads. I have a thing about Notepads. So, enjoy the ride with the bicycle. And you saw we had bicycle in Michael's Hall. Look at watercolored butterflies. Another batch of these birds, 3 birds designs. So, yeah, I'm excited to find some more of those. This one says, jot it down, grow peace in your heart. Love the colors. I got another one of the paper pads. The other day they didn't have another one with flowers, but this has the strawberries. And so if you watched the other Dollar Tree haul, I opened a package of this and showed you what was in it. But I bought it because I wanted another strawberry page. So they had a different sticky note this time set. So that one. And then they had this Kickback and Color Christmas. Again, we're getting ready to do Christmas in July. So this will give me possibility of some things I might use. Now, again, I do have kits that are already ready in the shop that I probably should just go ahead and grab. So I needed some more napkins for the other Golden Book kits, so I picked those up. Love this. And then a couple of dog list pads, because you know you can never have enough dog list pads or enough pot holders when you have a dog named Chip that thinks that he's got to eat all the pot holders, even the brand new ones. He has found pot holders in the bag that were brand new, not even had food on them or anything, and thinks that he should have them, but he's so cute. Okay, so playing cards. Picked up that set of playing cards. Some of this I might already have, you guys, but right now I can't find it, so I did pick up some seeds. I got some star stickers. I got some more of the banner stickers. And I got some more of the label, the bright label stickers. I thought they were pretty. Things to do pad. Look at this. Look at these daisies. This was $1. They had these garlands similar to this. It might have even been the same ones at Target. And I thought they were really cute because I love daisies, and so I bought that for myself. I thought these were really pretty. I have the regular napkins, but I thought I might try some things with these round ones. We'll see how that works. You're going to see a little bit of a theme here. I picked up, they had one of these, and so I picked that up to use. I used up, can you believe it? I used up all my beads. I used up all my all that the package that I had. So I needed some more flashcards, so I picked those up. I've got the subtraction and the sight words is what I got. Some more seeds, some snapdragon seeds. I have a snapdragon plant in my yard that I've had for 6 years, and it still comes back, so I thought I would try that. Look at these elastic ties. They're elastic ties for the hair or the wrists, but I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder how they would do on for a closure. So we'll see. We will see. Okay, so they had a couple more of these books, and I think they will match and go with the stuff I've been collecting, and so that might be kind of fun. Out of the blue, they had this. Now they were putting out their fall flowers, and this is spring, but it's going to be really pretty with fall. I got another one of the kindergarten books because I used them all up. A dog card game. It's a dog card game. Let's go ahead and open it so you can see. I don't know if you remember, I got those file folders from Staples with the dogs on them, so I'm just about ready to put together the dog kits. Okay, so the most lovable pooches card game, it says. Labrador Retriever, a Pug, a Bulldog, a Boxer, German Shepherd, Beagle, Chihuahua, Shih Tzu, Golden Retriever, Welsh Corgi, a Poodle, a Dachshund, a Husky, a Doberman, a Great Dane, a Maltese, a Basset Hound, a Stray Dog, a Wolf, and Scooby-Doo. And the only Chip, that one looks like Chip a little bit, the Stray Dog. So anyway, those were there. I thought they would be fun. I didn't open it and look at it. I just now opened it and looked at it. Some more seeds. And I'm having so much fun with my garden. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get these seeds. Okay, then I got some of the spring gift bags. I have something I'm doing, and so now they were all out of whack because what I wanted those two, and I wanted 2 sets like this, but I had to buy 3 sets to get those 2 sets. But it's okay. It's okay. So, yeah, so that is my Dollar Tree haul. And I'm looking forward to playing with this. What was your favorite thing I got this time? I'm excited to have found some Christmas stuff. Of course, you know, I have plenty of Christmas stuff, but I wanted to make sure that you would be able to find Christmas stuff. So do look at your Dollar Tree, and don't forget that, you know, things that are red, things that are green, or whatever your theme is, you can also pick up those and be able to use them for Christmas in July. It's not a challenge. We'll just be doing it. And I know that Kat said she was binge watching last year's Christmas in July. I used a large book and made a journal out of a large book. And so if you are looking to make a journal out of a large book, you know, like the quilting books or a coffee table book or that kind of thing, I did do that last year, and so I had to come up with creative pages. So do check that out, and If you're here for the premiere, hi, I'm waving. And say hello to Midnight. Hi, Midnight. So thank you for being here, and I hope you are having a great weekend. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thank you for being here. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.